Now, one of the two frameworks that we're going to go over in this course is the Founders Pi Calculator. The Founders Pi Calculator is an Excel file, a model that I've built that was inspired by an article originally written by Frank Demler. Now, if you haven't heard of Frank or have read the article, check out the description in this lecture to find that article that I'm referring to. It's a good read. It gives you a really good background for the reasoning behind building a calculator. And what I have in this course is I've built this model that allows us to put in a few more assumptions that really builds on top of what Frank discusses, and gives you a lot more flexibility in the sense that if you look at the screen right now, the model that you will get is one that allows you to put in different milestone assumptions for your startup, how are they weighted versus each other, and these weights, you can think of them as stages, could be used to inform investing schedules or just to help you figure out which milestone is more important. And then within each milestone, you can have each founder contribute different categories of contribution. So let's say in stage one, maybe it could be stage one could be prototyping, and somebody's contributing coding or design, and different founders may have different skill sets and they're contributing different amounts of work or things of value. So it allows you to kind of lay all those things out, break it down, and based on all of your assumptions around that, what this model does is it then spits out a breakdown, a final split of the pie, and how it's split across stages and how it's split across the different categories. So this thing is all built to automatically show you all this information on a per founder basis. You get to see where, in what stage, and by how much each founder gets to earn their respective shares, and then by doing what as well. So all of this is already built in, and I'm going to show you how to use it for your case. This Founders Pi model is best suited for teams that are working on really high growth tech startups. So if you're working on an idea where you have no idea what the revenues are going to be, you don't know when you're going to start making money, but if you guys do everything according to plan and get really lucky, you may create the next Google or the next Facebook or something, then this Founders Pi here will give you a good way to discuss how to split the initial pie between your initial founders based on what's important to achieve and what each of you is going to be contributing. So that is the Founders Pi Calculator. Next up, I'm going to show you what the waterfall framework is all about and who should use that instead of this one.